Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on my buddy's JK here. We're going to be putting on some new headlights. He bought those Sunpie headlights that I recommended, so we're going to be putting those in. So this is just be a short little install video on us pulling the grill off and putting those on. Then he also got new tail lights. We're going to be chopping the bumpers off, and those might be in videos after this video, so definitely watch those as well. But like I said, tail lights, and then different for the door hinges. They're really stiff, so we bought some Delrin bushings that go in here that'll hopefully make the door swing a lot easier. So we'll be doing that as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, guys, so we finished with everything that I said we would do in the video. So let's start at the front. So we did the Sunpie LED headlight. We installed those. Those look really nice. It's a really nice looking headlight. And then we did this like stubby bumper conversion. It's basically so we sawzalled this off and then put these end caps on. And he's gonna bed line this whole thing so it all is one color. Once it's warm out. And then we did these Delrin hinge bushing things that before, I didn't show you guys what it was before, but it was impossible to open these doors. So being able to open and close all the doors now is super easy. And then lastly, probably my favorite part are these tail lights. These tail lights are awesome. And these are what you say, Sunpie as well? So I'll link everything in the description below to my affiliate link page too, so you guys can check these out if you want. But yeah, why don't you do the blinkers for me so we can see what they look like. Yeah, that looks really nice. These look awesome, even when they're off too. Those look sweet. And then I'll show you the headlights, what they look like when they're off. Yeah, these look sweet. So much better than the stock headlights. He said he's gonna paint the this trim around here black once it gets warmer out, but But yeah, so that's my buddy's JK. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down, and definitely subscribe for more videos of this Jeep. He's probably going to do 35s here relatively soon, so that'll be really nice. And yeah, like I said, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.